Impact Week has been incredible to just get the entire community interested in social impact.
There is so much momentum building around impact here at Anderson.
It's great to see a university really invest in helping bring tangible insights around how an impact career can show up is just really inspiring.
Every event I've gone into has felt so full, so packed. We've had wait lists, we've had people standing in the back of the room.
I am most proud of all the big name speakers, Patagonia, BuzzFeed, Google.
How can we create content and focus on what the content actually does for people?
Seeing the room filled with current students, alumni, people from the community who came to Anderson just for Impact Week makes me feel like there's huge momentum growing.
We're at a great transition. Business is the place to make change.
I've absolutely loved this week. It's been one of my favorite weeks here on campus, mainly because I think there's a lot of very good dialogue going on.
Ideation is where we brainstorm. There are probably 1,000,001 ways that we can solve this problem.
Black Friday, we announced we were giving 100% for the planet that day. We sold $10 million worth of product, and we gave it all away to grassroots environmental causes.
I think every single person has a role to play in social impact. Our decisions that we make have an impact down the road, and we need that to be as positive as possible.
This is the future of business. Social impact is not just going to be a nice to have. In 5 to 10 years, it's going to be a critical factor for success. We're definitely making a difference.
We are making a difference.
I'd say we're making a difference.
This event and the connections that were able to be made here this week, I think will make a huge difference on people's lives going forward.